Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you a very nice classy leather belt from Amazon. If it entertains you, please give us a huge thumbs up. First of all, it is a very nice gift box package. Let's see what's inside. Open the box. There is an anti-dust bag. Oh, there's also a puncher for punching the hole as well. Let's put it down and look at the belt first. Take out the belt. You can see the whole leather body was wrapped in the non-woven fabric. Here is a gold buckle. The buckle was made of brass. The screw is also brass. Here is a single loop. The buckle frame is solid, see? Now I'm going to tear the package and see the belt. It seems the belt is not easy to pull out of the package. Okay, I got it. You can see the last on the surface of the leather is very good. And the end tip back side have a near look. Oiled side. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven holes. Its hardness of this belt is moderate, not too soft. It can hold it up very well. I'd like to use a mobile phone to reference the belt size. The thickness is about 3 mm, equal to the thickness of 3 pieces of credit card. And the entire length of this belt is about 125 cm. We measured from this part to the end tips. If you think this length is too long or too short for you, we can punch more holes for perfect fit. When we start to punch the hole, we'd better to take a wooden border or thick cardboard, something like that, to protect our furniture. Please don't operate it on the desk directly. Use a ruler to determine the position of the hole you needed. And then use the punch. Use the hollow out and align with the leather, and then hit by the hammer. Round. See? If you want the oval hole, you should overlap and try more time to get that shape. If you think this belt is too round for you, you can short the belt. See this screw here. And then we will use the schooner to loosen it. Also measure the length you wanted and then cut the unwanted length off. Don't forget to puncture a new hole for connecting. Punch a new hole for connecting. When we start to fix the buckle, pay attention on the front and the back. And then put the screw in. Tighten it. Be careful not to scratch the leather. Okay, it's done. This is a very practical and basic belt. The classic color matching is perfect for your outfit of casual or work occasion.